The sun gives life to everything on Earth, but one day it will begin to destroy it. Right now, the sun looks calm from Earth, but inside, a cosmic clock is ticking.
Deep in the sun's core, hydrogen is constantly turning into helium.
Every billion years, the sun grows hotter and brighter, slowly changing the balance of our planet. And Earth will be the first victim.
About 1 billion years from now, Earth's oceans will start to boil away.
With the oceans gone, Earth becomes a dry world. Life struggles to survive. Temperatures will rise far beyond anything humans have experienced. The planet will slowly cook. Earth will start turning into a second Venus.
Runaway greenhouse effects will trap heat in the atmosphere.
Eventually, complex life disappears completely. Only microbes may remain. Earth becomes a dying planet. But this is only the beginning. The sun itself is still evolving, and its next stage is catastrophic. In about 5 billion years, the sun will run out of hydrogen fuel, and everything will change. The sun will expand into a massive red giant, hundreds of times larger than today, large enough to swallow planets. Mercury will be the first planet to disappear, completely consumed by the expanding sun. Then Venus will follow. Venus will burn and vaporize, leaving nothing behind. And Earth is next in line. By this time, Earth will already be a dead world, but its final moment is still coming. Temperatures will reach thousands of degrees. The crust itself will begin to melt. Earth becomes a molten inferno. The sun's radiation will strip away Earth's atmosphere, leaving the planet completely exposed. Nothing remains to protect it.
Gravitational forces will slowly pull Earth inward. The orbit itself begins to collapse. Escape is impossible.
The planet will start to crack and break apart, pulled apart by intense forces. Earth is seconds from its final end.
Finally, Earth will fall into the sun, disappearing forever. The planet that once held life is gone. In the end, Earth will simply vanish, consumed by the...
But the sun's transformation is far from over. Its most violent phase has just begun.
The inner solar system becomes a graveyard of vaporized worlds. Only fragments of planets remain. Mars will suddenly become warmer than ever before. For a brief moment, it might even resemble Earth. The frozen water on Mars will melt and evaporate. Its atmosphere will briefly grow thicker.
But the expanding sun continues growing, and Mars is now dangerously close. The red giant is still expanding. Even distant Jupiter will feel the sun's fury. The entire solar system will heat up. No planet escapes the sun's evolution. Saturn's icy rings will slowly melt away, turning into streams of vapor and dust. Even the most beautiful structures disappear.
Powerful solar winds will blast the solar system, stripping atmospheres from distant worlds.
Eventually, the sun will lose its outer layers, blasting enormous clouds of gas into space.
These glowing clouds will spread across billions of miles, creating one of the most beautiful sights in the... This expanding shell of gas will shine for thousands of years, lighting up the surrounding...
At the center, the sun's core will remain, a tiny but incredibly dense object. A white dwarf is born.
This remnant will be about the size of Earth. The remaining planets will orbit this tiny star in a cold and silent solar system. Without the sun's warmth, everything freezes. the solar system becomes a frozen grave.
Over trillions of years, the white dwarf will cool, its light slowly fading away. Even stars eventually go dark. Eventually, the sun will become a black dwarf, a cold, invisible ember, a star that no longer shines.
Our solar system will drift silently through the galaxy, with no star left to light it. But the universe will keep moving forward. Stars will continue to be born and die.
Our solar system is just one tiny system in the Milky Way, a single star among.
Across the galaxy, stars are constantly being born and dying.
Some stars end their lives far more violently. They explode in gigantic supernova blasts. These explosions scatter heavy elements across space, the building blocks of planets and life.
From those clouds, new stars are born, and new solar systems begin forming.
Planets slowly grow from swirling disks of dust, just like Earth once did. Another world may already be forming somewhere.
On some of these planets, life might begin, just as it did on Earth billions of years ago.
Entire alien oceans may exist out there, on worlds we have never seen, waiting to be discovered. Perhaps somewhere, another civilization is watching the stars, wondering about their own fate, just like we are today. One day their star will also begin to change, just like our sun will. Every civilization faces the same cosmic clock.
But the universe itself is also evolving, on timescales far beyond. In about 4 billion years, our galaxy will collide with another.
When galaxies collide, stars rarely crash directly. But gravity reshapes everything.
Entire star systems will be thrown across space, creating a new giant.
A new galaxy will form from the collision. Astronomers call it Milkomeda.
But even galaxies cannot live forever. Star formation will eventually slow down. The universe begins to age.
Gas clouds will slowly run out. The universe will be filled mostly with old stars.
Most stars will become white dwarfs, tiny embers of once powerful suns, just like the future of our sun.
Trillions of years from now, the universe becomes colder and darker. The lights of the cosmos fade.
Black holes will dominate the future universe, swallowing anything that comes too close. They are the last giants of cosmic time. Some black holes weigh billions of suns, sitting at the centers of galaxies, cosmic monsters hiding in the dark.
Stars that wander too close are torn apart, their matter spiraling into darkness.
Even black holes release enormous energy, launching jets across entire galaxies.
Over trillions of years, stars will slowly disappear, leaving behind
White dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes remain.
even white dwarfs will cool completely. Eventually, almost no light will remain, only darkness stretching forever. Only black holes survive the longest, holding the last mass of
Black holes slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation, losing energy over unimaginable time. Even darkness fades. After trillions upon trillions of years, black holes begin to disappear. The final giants fall.
The last black hole will evaporate in a flash, releasing its remaining energy. After that moment, almost nothing remains. Just energy drifting through space.
no stars, no galaxies, only darkness. Matter slowly decays into smaller particles.
Protons themselves may eventually decay, leaving behind pure radiation. The universe dissolves.
Temperature approaches absolute zero, the coldest possible state, the ultimate freeze. Space continues expanding forever.
Only a few photons remain, traveling endlessly through darkness, the last light of the cosmos.
The universe reaches its final stage, a state known as heat death.
No structures remain, no stars or galaxies.
Yet even in emptiness, quantum fluctuations remain.
Some physicists believe new universes could emerge.
A new Big Bang could ignite somewhere, creating a brand new universe. New stars, new planets, new possibilities for life. Perhaps another Earth will form, under a different sun. Life may begin again. And somewhere, another civilization may look up at the sky, asking the same questions. They might study their star, just like we study the sun, trying to understand their future. And one day, their star will begin to change. The cycle repeats. Just like Earth, their world may face the same fate. Every planet has an ending, but right now, our story is still unfolding. The universe is still young.
We are the first species to understand this cosmic timeline, the first to see our future. That knowledge changes everything. Perhaps one day we will leave Earth, exploring distant worlds. Humanity may survive the sun.
We might travel to other star systems.
New planets could become new homes, where humanity continues its story, life escaping its dying star. And billions of years from now, our descendants may watch the sun expand, witnessing the end of Earth.
But by then, humanity may be far away, living around other stars. Earth remembered only in history.
The blue planet that started everything. Our original home.
The universe is vast and ancient, and our journey has only begun.
One day the sun will destroy Earth. But until then,